everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. Also, please follow me on Instagram, I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. To start off, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and I'm going to apply it all over my face using a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer and I'm just going to apply it under the eye using my beauty blender. To set that, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 110. I'm going to take my small fluffy brush and apply it. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Nude by Nature powder and a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to contour using my Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Bronzer, and I'm going to take an angled brush. Next, I'm going to do my eyes, and I'm going to go in with my Rimmel eyeshadow palette. This is the MAGNIF'EYES Spice Edition. I'm going in with the second shade right here, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid using a flat brush. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that into the crease. Now I'm going in with the shade beside it right here, and I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm going to go and add some of this shade in my crease as well. I'm going to go back in with the second shade and add it to my lid again. Next, I'm going to take this shade here and this one here, and I'm going to apply it to my lower lashes. I'm going with the first shade now, and I'm going to add it to my brow bone. And then just make sure you blend everything together. I'm gonna add that same shade in the corners of my eye. Next, I'm going in with some eyeliner. And this is the Essence Extra Long Lasting Liner. For eyebrows, I'm going in with my NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil. And I'm going to use an eyebrow brush. I'm using the gel side. I'm going to take a brush and apply it to my brows that way. Okay, so next step is blush. I'm going to be using the NYX Blush Palette. And I'm going to take the second and third shade, I'm going to mix them. For mascara, I'm using the same one I always use, and this is the Maybelline Great Lash Biggest Brush. Next is highlighter, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. highlighter. This is in the shade Moonlight Pearls. And add it to my nose. And take some on my finger and add it right on my cupid's bow. And blend it with a fan brush. Final step is lips. I'm going in with my NYX Sugar Glass Lip Liner. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Birthday Suit Lipstick. These lipsticks are so creamy, they're really nice. Then for some definition and to make your lips look even bigger, I'm going to add the Fleshpot Lipstick, which is a really light shade, and I'm just going to add it to the center. Like that. And then just blend it with my finger. And there you guys have it. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.